What is up, you guys? This is your host speaking, West Coast Lookie, coming at you with another video. What's up, you guys? How y'all doing? And what y'all know about E40, the Bay Area legend. Before we unbox that, I already cut it open, so I don't have to struggle through the video. I'm gonna show you a couple of things. Start on this side. This came in the mail. Kinda wasn't expecting it to be this small. On my eBay, it said the guy was selling it, put it at 124 scale. I was alright, 124 scale, I'll get that for 11 bucks. Pretty cheap. Came out this size. I was pissed. Like, damn, talk about disappointments at the worst. It's Jada, by the way. Another thing, I painted this. This is what is this? Toy State Company. You basically press these buttons, you know. What I like about this company is they actually have hydraulics, so it would bounce up and down. You know, it'd burn out tire in the back. You know, not your normal kids' toys. These are old. I think they came out in the 90s. I have two of those. Here's another one. I tried painting that one, but it looked horrible, so I took out the paint. The rims were painted, and so were the tires. You know, you press it and it hops. Not that bad. Like, same brand. Another thing is, this came in the mail today again, as well with the package. But I already opened it because I knew what it was. I couldn't wait. Oh yeah, what you know about that Toon Squad, boy? You got the Taz edition one. Gotta love your Tasmanian. I'm a Tasmanian fan, I'm not gonna lie. Looks pretty cool, man. 20 bucks? Why not? Damn! Whoa! I know what this is. This was a bid that was going on. I was stuck. Actually, I was the only one to bid on it. I think I got it for, was it like, it was like 6 bucks. Well, I won for the bid, and it was like 7 for the shipping. Two in one. Yeah, you can see that already. Fucking yay. 120, 164 scale. Yukon Denali. Not bad. I think this was like 11 altogether. I was like, oh, I'm glad nobody placed a bid. I thought I was gonna get overbid, you know, since it's on for so cheap. Oh yeah, new and box. Look at that. I don't have this one. 2003 Ford Super Crew. I do not have this one. Wheels by Maya, 24-inch TDS. Oh yeah, look at those. Woo! Something's loose in there. I have to open it. Well, not really open it up, but check. You know, I don't. Let's go some sound system. I usually don't open them unless I hear something loose like that. I know you guys can hear that. It's feel like a screw loose, and I'm gonna have to like pull the tape and then just pull it off, and then try and figure out what the issue is, and then from there basically put the tape back and close it, because I want to know what the hell that is, because usually open ones don't have that. I mean, new ones, new in box. Bullet grills. Yes, it'll be going up there with my rest of my collection. Alright. See, has anything else in here? Nope. Empty ass box. Fuck that box. Ah, shit, classic. This is a real classic right here. What y'all know about Keek the Sneak? Bay Area. What it do? But yeah, that's it for today. Hope y'all enjoy your day. I will be enjoying mine. I'll be busy, as you can see. Tell me where to go. Dum 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 dum. Peace.